Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the WiZ LED Strip Smart Light. It promises to add color and ambiance to your home with ease. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The WiZ LED Strip is a fantastic alternative to the pricier Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus. With Matter compatibility, it works seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri shortcuts, and Apple HomeKit. This LED strip offers 840 lumen output, 16 million colors, and easy installation. The 13 feet into 4 meter kit is priced at $34.99 per £29.99, making it an affordable choice for most users. Available in the US and the UK, the WiZ LED strip is expanding its reach. It may not be available in Australia yet, but given WiZ's track record, it's likely to arrive eventually. Compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri shortcuts makes it versatile. Installation is a breeze with 3M backing and simple pairing through the user-friendly app. Just keep in mind you'll need 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, as WiZ doesn't support bridge or Bluetooth connectivity. Despite its lower price point, the WiZ LED strip produces vibrant colors and adds ambiance to any space. However, some red tone colors may appear slightly washed out. The app offers 33 presets, customizable settings, scenes, rhythms, and scheduling options. While not as sophisticated as Philips Hue's app, it still gets the job done. For first-time smart home users and those within the WiZ ecosystem, these LED strips are a great choice. They provide an affordable way to brighten up any room and set the mood. However, if you need broader smart home integration or Apple HomeKit support, you may want to explore other options. That wraps up our review of the WiZ LED Strip Smart Light. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've tried the WiZ LED strip or if you prefer other smart lighting solutions. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. This is Product Critique, signing off. Illuminate your home and create the perfect ambiance with smart lighting.